Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for checking in. If you have already spent your budget on the new Apple Watch 8, like me, and you really loved it, but after the release of the latest version of the Apple Watch Ultra, you would like to get the same look with your Apple Watch 8, but you don't want to spend another $800. So you can just convert your Apple Watch 8 for $10. This is a conversion kit that you can convert your Apple Watch 8. It doesn't matter if it's Apple Watch 8, Apple Watch 7, or Apple Watch 6 or 5. This is available for 41mm, for 44mm and 45mm versions of Apple Watches, for all of them, but unfortunately not for the 41mm versions. We just need this. This is a case that turns your Apple Watch 8, 7, 6, 5 for 44 or 45mm into an Apple Watch Ultra. So it says, please peel off the mask before application. Let's peel it off. And let's open this one, cleaner pad, to clean the screen of your watch. Just a second. And now remove this film and also inner film, and we are ready to install this. First, you need to install the crown side like this and press, and we have the Apple Watch Ultra looks, but we also need a crown, and they are sending you 2 crown cases. Remove the film, and there is a sticker in it, and just apply it to your crown. Now we have an Apple Watch Ultra. Let's put the Alpine watch band and see how it looks. Just for $10, we just convert the Apple Watch 8 into Apple Watch Ultra. Let's compare the look. Yes, it is still smaller than the original one, but if you would like to have this design on your wrist, this is a $10 option that you can easily get instead of spending another $800. And as you know, Apple Watch 8 and Apple Watch Ultra are both using the same watchOS 9.3. The only difference is their looks. Of course, it has sapphire screen and pure titanium and military standard features, but when it comes to looks, you can do that just for $10, and still you can use the watchOS, and the touch sensitivity is still nice. But only one thing, if you would like to use the ECG function, you need to remove the crown case, because the crown should be able to read your fingertip. Okay guys, this was a short video about the Apple Watch Ultra Conversion Kit. If you would like to get this one for yourself, you can find the link in the description. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.